Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. We continue to chapter 5, normal binomial Poisson exponential distributions. Continuous distributions, or we often call it normal distributions, is a symmetric bell-shaped curve. A normal distribution has a bell-shaped density curve described by its mean and standard deviation. The density curve is symmetrical, centered about its mean, with its spread determined by its standard deviation. Remember that in the previous chapter, we learned about mean, which is average value, and the standard deviation is the difference between one data to another. So we use it in normal distributions. The height of normal density curve at a given point x is given by. Second one is discrete distributions, or sometimes it's also famous called by binomial distributions. The probability distribution of a binomial random variable is called a binomial distribution. Suppose we flip a coin 2 times and count the number of heads or successes. The binomial random variable is the number of heads which can take on value of 1, 2, or 3, or whatever. The more we flip the coin, the more we get the head of a coin. The third one is Poisson distributions, or discrete distribution is a number of arrivals any period of time. And exponential distributions or continuous is the times between arrivals. We use Z values for standardizing, which is to measure variables with different means and or standard deviation on a single scale. Z value is a number of standard deviation to the right or to the left of mean. Remember about the curve, yeah? In the curve, we find the left and the right. In the center of the curve is mean, the average of the data occurred. If Z is positive, the original value is to the right of the mean. If Z is negative, the original score is to the left of mean. So the higher Z, it will goes to the right, but the lower Z close to negative, so it will goes to the left of the mean. In Excel, to calculate this, we use functions which is called normal distributions. So we will use Excel to calculate normal distributions. It is used to return the normal distribution for the specified mean and standard deviation. The function is normdis, and then bracket x, mean, standard deviation, and 1. Normdis, Z values, returns the probability that the observed value of a standard normal random variable will be less than or equal to Z. A standard normal random variable has mean 0 and standard deviation 1. And also variance 1, because variance equal to standard deviation square. Okay, we will try some of the examples provided in the book using the norm dis. Thank you.